How to get $200 Chico's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Chico's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Chico's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $50 off, $30 off, 10% off, 75% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it, then click on Redeem at Chico's. You'll be directed to the official website of Chico's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for Chico's. Well, this way you can easily get up to $200 Chico's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.